let's get into another lead lightning review. This is going to be my final end of the year updated review, which I really am excited about. This little system, and I say it's a little system because imagine if you could unlock earning $6 commissions every single day for the rest of your life, for the next 10 years, for the next 20 years, whatever it is that you're looking for. As you can see, I'm excited, guys. But let's go ahead and share with you what exactly it is and why I'm so passionate about lead lightning to share with you at the end of the year. All right, guys, just in a nutshell, I have a review that I have written on lead lightning, and I'm going to leave a link to that review in the description of this video. I'm saying this because in case you want more information on the past reviews that I've done, the past information, the key takeaways, etc., there's going to be a link right here which will give you the exact explanation about lead lightning and everything else. But let me just go ahead and say this is a system, or this is a product, a tool that I've been a part of for the last 9 years. Yes, you heard that correctly. And I've unlocked 9 years ago the possibility to earn $6 in commissions with lead lightning since 2000 and whenever 16. Okay, and it's been 9 years and I've really enjoyed my entire journey. I was not serious about it initially. I joined because I needed a tool which was cheap and which was user friendly, that I could just add a product without thinking about emails, without thinking about the marketing itself. And in that way, lead lightning is a good starting tool to have, specifically if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, if you don't know how to do email marketing, and you're a little bit confused, then and you have a product or service, then you could just plug in that product or service into the lead lightning ecosystem, let me put it that way, or the tool itself, and you're just promoting the tool. So there are two aspects here. One is the technology side, and the second is the AI, let's say, tool that's there. Okay, the technology side is the funnel builder. At the core element or the core nature of lead lightning, which is part of Power Lead system, is a funnel builder tool that you can use to create pages, you can use to create funnels, you can use to create websites, and you can basically manage your entire online business through a platform like Power Lead system. That is what it is created for. That tool is called the Power Lead system. Lead lightning is the basic version where you cannot edit, you cannot change. They give you a done for you sales system process, okay, a funnel basically that does the selling and telling for you, has a certain key elements that are there in today's environment that makes sense, like AI and creating a digital twin for yourself, and learning how to then develop this twin into something that's doing the marketing 24/7 for you. So I like it because of the training itself, because of the information that it's giving you, and the onboarding process is really smooth. That's something I really wanted to talk about because, one thing that a lot of other tools have, or offers, or products, when you're getting started with affiliate marketing, you get all over the place. People are so confused. They don't know step 1 what to do, step 2 what to do. Do I need to focus on advertising? Do I need to focus on conversions? But how do I advertise? And people have millions of questions, right? So one of the hardest things is following step by step along the strategy. Therefore, I think lead lightning is a good and useful tool to have as a new marketer. Is it going to make you rich overnight? Is it going to make you money for the rest of your life? It can definitely create a consistent revenue stream for yourself. It doesn't happen overnight. It does involve work, it does involve effort, and it does involve you actually taking the effort to make a difference. How does it fit into my entire strategy? I'm just going to share with you very quickly. I follow a funded proposal strategy where I leverage a tool called My Lead Gen Secret to send to offers and services, and then I make a sale. Now, usually that was focused on Warrior Plus offers or ClickBank offers, but I also added the element of lead lightning to this entire first step. So now I'm making $6 commissions over and over and over again. And this is creating an advertising budget for myself. Okay, so that's the cool part about it. So let's say that you want to get started and you want to have promote your main offer. Okay, you can see right here, once you get into pay that $7, because it costs $7 one time, and you can add a link right here to the offer that you want to promote. When you go ahead and promote these funnels, guess what? On the back end, there are emails going out to your leads that have purchased on these funnels, and they promote your primary offer as well. This is why I say it's easy and simple to think about it. It also has step by step what you need to do right here. 8-minute video from CEO. Join the Facebook group. Go on a coaching calendar. The coaching calendar, I'll show you guys, basically gives you access to when there are weekly success calls, the trainings. Basically, it's on a Wednesday usually. But if anything else is there, it'll tell you on this calendar itself. Okay, so that's really important because they're supporting the community. And then the step 3, which is the most important right here, is advertising. So at the end of the day, because it's the done for you system, because you cannot change the email, because you cannot do all of these things, only thing that you need to focus on is advertise, literally. So when you click here, you basically get taken to this section right here. This is part of the $7, by the way, and this is one of the main reasons why I personally like it. You got step by step what to do. Step 1, step 2, understanding your lead lighting funnel. Step 3, how do you build copy and respond and shots and so on and so forth. If you have any questions related, the other day, give an example. The other day I had a question related to lead lightning, which I wanted to I couldn't find on the website. So I opened this marketing assistant right here, and I literally typed, I asked the question. I actually sent a voice message there, and I asked the question to the marketing assistant saying, how do I go about doing this? And they said, okay, so the moment you make $37 in commissions, you can then take that money, put it into your e-wallet, and then go ahead and purchase it. Because the question that I had was, I wanted to buy the U in a box, which is another product, but I'm going to talk about in a second. But I wanted to use my commissions to be able to buy that. So I didn't want to withdraw my commissions and stuff like that. I just wanted to upgrade with my commissions. So it told me exactly how to do that within the system itself. Why? Because it is built on the knowledge base of Lead Lightning and Power Lead system and everything that's there. Okay. Hope this is clear, because I think that's the important thing. When you start to give so much of data to automated AI systems like they have, then it's really easy to leverage this marketing assistant. So I really like it. I enjoyed it using it, and I recommend everybody else to use it. It's also called David. That's why I like it. And then you have the understanding of money, understanding the money behind your product, your commissions, lead lighting, everything else, weekly coaching vault. And this, in my opinion, guys, is really the crux of everything and can change your entire way you're doing your marketing, and it can actually teach you the right way. Now, the coaching vault is included in what they have also as a 30-day challenge. And in that, you get updates, you get coaching, you get bonuses, you get also what groups to try to use, how to go step by step on using, what's it called? On using the AI twin to be able to create what kind of reels. It will give you step-by-step checklist. I don't want to show this here because it does cost $7 to get. But and so I mean, it's not fair for the people who do buy, right? If I share with you what exactly you're getting inside already. Let me just put it this way. In the coaching vault, you'll have the ability to not only know exactly how to write and script your reels, but you will also have the ability to be have a checklist. And so as you get the things done on a daily basis, you check them off your list and you go about doing them. So it's very, very actionable, step by step by step. And this drives ultimately advertising or traffic to your funnel. And the funnel could be this funnel right here, which is the lead lightning funnel. And as you can see, it says your $6 commission machine is ready. Or you can go and just talk about the viral funnel, which I 100% recommend, because this is giving you also the foundations for a better future, honestly. And you get access to a Facebook group and support and community. So either one, I think the viral funnel builder is better. But basically, when you get access to it, you'll get access to this AI twin. Okay, so we'll teach you exactly how to use this AI or digital. We're using Sora and everything else. It's going to teach you how to create a twin like this or something like this, and then basically use it in your marketing on a daily basis. Now, I know a lot of marketers who are doing really well just by using this. Is Ace's twin. I love seeing how she's marketing because the kind of videos are quality videos. This is not just use AI and just put out some small rubbish kind of marketing. No, it's teaching you how to create your messaging, how to actually go about writing the right scripts that are relatable to your story and putting your spin on it. So all of these things are available just for $7. Okay, so it's really, really cool. And I would say that in case you want to also get the upgrade, which is recommended, it's a $37 upgrade, and it's going to give you all of these things right here. It's called you in a box. If you don't get it here, by the way, guys, you can get it in the back office right here. Okay, so just saying, it's easier to just check this box and get it. You'll be paying $44 instead of $77. But honestly, like I said, I already, this last week alone, if I scroll up right here, you can see that I made $36 in commissions, and this is just now. Okay, this is just this 1 week. So making an extra $44 is not a hard thing to do. So you can really make your money back pretty quickly, in my opinion. Just think about it, because the upgrade really makes sense for those who want to take and use AI as the selling potential point also, right? So that's the beauty of it. I personally love the system, not because of there are obviously pros and cons to it. There are obviously pros and cons to it. I love the system for one specific reason, that has a very clear workflow, and the value that you're getting for $7 is insane. Okay, in the sense that you get this kind of training for a $500 to $1,000 coaching course. Okay, to talk about these advertising strategies, to use specifically AI in this way. People spend a lot of money. Instead, you're getting this for $7. Just think about it, as usually it costs, they are selling it, usually this costs for $297, and you're getting that for $7. So there's a huge price difference. But you can see in the value that they're over delivering for $7. That's one of the reasons why it makes sense, and it also has a very clear structure in place. Now, obviously, if you want to upgrade, I would recommend also getting you in a box. This is the second thing that I would recommend getting. I personally have also upgraded in using my commissions that I earned. I upgraded to you in a box. Okay, that's pretty much how I did it. So I used the $7. I got $37. So if you don't want to, if you want to really just very strictly, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. But basically, $6 commission, so I need 6 sales. On the 7th sale, basically I made sorry, so it's 6 into 7, right? 6 into 7, and you can see it's 42. That $42, I used basically 37 of them, and I purchased the Unibox. And that is how now every time somebody comes and they make a sale, I don't get only $6. But let's say if somebody also gets Unibox, I'm also making $25. So now my total amount comes to 31. And let's say you want to make your 44 bucks back, right? If you spend 44 right in the beginning, well, guess what? 44 divided by 31. You literally need 2 sales and you're in profit. So does it make sense? In my opinion, for the cost at the end of the day, and honestly, I would say this cost is negligible. Think about what you're learning and think about how you can take that skill set and also apply it to different areas of your life. You can actually outsource this skill to other people and actually get a service fee for it. In my opinion, it makes sense. Again, lead lightning is a $7 program. It's not something that's going to change your life, but it is definitely going to make a difference and add a little bit of extra income into your pocket. And if that's something what you want to do in 2026, then consider clicking the button below and getting started with the 30-day challenge. And I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I am going to be sharing some awesome information in the next video, which is going to be ending the year. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'm going to see you on the next one.